Hi, I'm Clifford from ourbuilding.com and this is our weather in February 2026. Today I'm going to tell you why you need an Icaro account and how to set one up. Why do we need an Icaro account? We need an Icaro account because flight plans in Spain are mandatory. This is the easiest way to set up a flight plan from your phone using their app. I'm now going to show you how to set up the Icaro account. So what I need to do is jump onto Google and look up Icaro XXI. Go to the website, accept all the cookies and things, and you want to go to new user. You then put on all your details. So what I've done here is I've done a run through with my details. This is one of my junk emails. This is one of my emails. I'm already set up on Icaro, so it's already picking up my details. So make up a password. Make up a username. So for the question, I use a dog's name. You can check out Percy Labrador on YouTube as well. So now you go to active user, and now it will tell you to send the details in to this site, and then you register on that site. So you submit the form. So on this form you use the email that you registered with, put your username that you put on the form. For this I put 10 flight plans because sometimes we do formations and I'm filing either a formation flight or multiple planes at the same time. And then for the comments, I'm just putting, I'm a private pilot, flying GA. And then you send the form. Then 24 hours, you'll get your access to the site. On our next video, I'll show you how to file a flight plan.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on